everybody, and welcome! Today we're playing Final Fantasy III. We're gonna be going through this big spooky forest full of spooky things. Spooky! See how spooky it is? Crazy spooky. It's like a werewolf bar mitzvah in this forest. Except with significantly more of my ass being set on fire. But yeah, this is, spooky forest of spookiness. Recovery spring. And, yeah, we're going to go ahead and wander our asses through here. And apparently fight every fucking ghost. Like, how many people could have died? Seriously. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, whatever. Alright, so we're headed through this... Oh, okay, now I'm confused. I don't know where the hell I'm going. God damn it. I'm so confused. Oh, shit sticks. I do not think I can handle these goddamn ghosts. Oh, goddamn it. So many ghosts. Why are they all setting me on fire? Don't attack the first ghost, attack the second ghost. You better attack the third ghost in the back. God damn it! See what I mean? It's a pain in the ass to deal with these dicks just because they're dicks. 48 experience? We're getting shit for experience here. What is this monkey doing? Hey, there's a train. There's a train. There's a fucking train. I remember the train now. I'm not gonna say a damn word about the train. Just because I very, very much so remember the train. And it's fucking weird is what it is. Oh, damn it. Like, this guy needs to be any fucking slower. Push! No, well, you actually dispatched the guy that I wasn't, stabbing. Alright, because you're slow as fuck, and it's gonna take you forever to attack anything, but potions get used faster, we're gonna go ahead and up the shadow here so that we can survive this goddamn ghost. Yeah, 300 hit points. Hey, Shadow gained a level. Sabine gained a level. Yay! Everybody gained a level except Cyan. Cyan can suck it. I actually like Cyan. Not my favorite character, but he's got an interesting background. Oh god damn, he was almost dead. Yeah, we can give him one more without wasting it. We can give him one more without wasting it. We're getting kind of low though. We're getting low on tinctures and whatnot. We go up here. Spooky train. Alright. A train's there, but I thought Doma's railway had been destroyed. Maybe survivors inside. Let's take a look. Hey, we can get in right here. Sir Sabine! Can't just wander around out here. We have to go on board. Sir Sabine! Don't worry. Sir Sabine! Where the fuck is everybody? What on earth? Let me off! This train's haunted! Oh, balls! Bollocks and wafers! It's moving! If we don't get off now, it won't open. We're too late. What's with this train? This is the Phantom train. It carries the departed to the other side. Wait a second. I don't want to go there. We all have to go sometime. I have things to do here. We have to start this thing. Let's make for the engine. Man, screw you guys. I'm going backwards. Let's see if I can jump off the caboose. You a friendly ghost? What is it? It seems to want to come with us. Yeah, sure. Come along, ghosty. Who the hell are you? Impresario. I manage this train. What business have you here? What's about the train? This train ferries the dear departed to the other side. There they can take their eternal rest. Blah blah. How do we stop it? Want to stop the train? Just use the controls of the engineers department. Anything else? Leave us in peace. Well, I guess we'll save now that we're trapped on the train. And we got a ghost guy as our friend here. He's not bad. We'll get Captain Ghostface. Ghostface Killer. What's this do? What's this? Let me just give it a... Sabine, maybe we should fumble with that. It is my best shot. How can you? How could you? Cyan, you're not scared, are you? How dare you? Just because I respect other beings' property doesn't mean I'm not mechanically minded. Cyan, you're total klutz when it comes to machines. Silence! How could you tell? Because you fucked up some Magitech armor. Oh, right. The Phantom Train depart. The Phantom Train guides the departed ones to the spirit world. They have no need of schedules. Ah! Nope. Nope, apparently it's not going to let us take him with us either. Ah, balls! Oh shit, bombs. I hate bombs. They explode and they mess up all of, they get all up on us, and it's just unpleasant. Oh my god, look at the ghost celebrating, it's amazing! The ghost is fucking awesome. Oh, I got off there, apparently. And get the fuck out of my way, ghost. Oh shit, this dude's a shop. Got basically nothing. What does it do? Here's imp. I shouldn't need that. I hope I don't need that. I want to buy a couple more Phoenix Downs. Don't really need sleeping bags. Tonics I need. I need tonics. I don't need 80 tonics. Let's go with 50 tonics. We could do with getting some potions too. I mean, I'd never use potions, but I'll probably use potions in battle. No, ah, fuck. Alright, so apparently we're gonna have to kill all the ghosts. Oh my god, this ghost sucks. Well, that ghost sucks too. So if we kill all the ghosts, I'm assuming they don't come back, but we'll only have to clean out each one once. In theory. Boom, bitch! You dead. 12 gibbers. Look out! That's okay, that's okay. This is what we're here for. We're here to grind. We're here to clean house. All these poor lost souls, they gon' die. I guess he's not hitting that guy. That guy. Punchy. Ah, damn it! Fuck you, ghost. Ah! Oh, okay, so there's random encounters as well. Good to know. No shit. I don't remember what that does. All I remember is it's unpleasant. Yeah. Are we overpowered? Have I done too much grinding? Because it seems like we're just kicking ass and taking names. I don't want him to die, mostly because I don't think I can get him back. Oh. Alright, well, I guess maybe there's one in every train. Just the one entrance here. How about you? Oh shit. Well, I guess those are easy to kill. Damn it! No! Shoot! How much did he get to steal? Nothing. He stole nothing from me. And then he got his ass dispatched! Ugh! You got punched in the face, Ghost Dick! No! Damn it! Holy shit, that is painful. Alright, that's better. Cyan back up to health here. How's everybody else? Nope. That's what I was going for. Alright, everybody else is good. No, this is the same goddamn dick. You're another shot? Same shot. Look out! Okay, it's just some ghosts. Smack these bitches up. Punch, punch. Dispatch the guy in the back once in your fucking life. Thank you. Thank you. No, damn it! No, we were so close. Man, ghosty guy is slow as shit. That's okay. Did I ever talk to you? I did talk to you. You're useless. What? No. Get out of my fucking way! Nope, nothing there. Blah, blah, blah. Alright. Oh, shit. Bam! That was entirely that was just a shitty hit, Cyan. I'm gonna have to read up and see what the fuck that move does, because that was balls right there. That some bitch blocking the door. Some bitch is blocking the door. Oh, now he did some bitch. Escape. Huh? No escape. Who's there? It came from this direction. No escape. Oh, they're coming. No escape. This way too. You can't escape. Nowhere to run. Nowhere to hide. Fuck you, little ghosties. You can't escape. Nowhere to run. Nowhere to hide. You can't escape. No. Bloody persistent. I believe we're stuck. I know. You have an idea? Okay. Next time, the time has come to see if all my training's paid off. Come, Cyan. Yahoo! Ah, damn it. It fell on my ass. Woo. Got to detach the rear cars. A motherfucker. Maybe you can do a little damage to him. Oh, really? Really? You went for him? Stupid son of a bitch. I swear to God, if you hit that same guy. Oh, cool. I need 5 fucking hit points. He was 5 hit points away from death. God damn it. How do I detach? Oh, maybe I have to go in here? Oh. Alright, well. Ka-junk. Suck my ass! Stupid fucking ghost. Can't follow us now. Stupid bastards. Oh, alright. Well, I guess I gotta... A flying fuck. Ah! Oh! This looks very unpleasant. These guys look tough. Especially that guy. Oh, shit, yeah. Oh, alright, well, maybe not as tough, but I mean, he's tougher than the rest, I guess. Bam! Punch, stab, slash, bitch. Hey, I got a green cherry! Yay! Oh, okay. Alright. We're gonna have a sleep for the night. And, whew. What a sleep it is. Ugh. So tired. What do we, well, you know, we probably got enough time for this episode. We're definitely gonna save. Yeah, we got enough time for this episode. We're gonna save there. We're gonna continue on. We're gonna talk to this dude. We're going! Is Ghosty still with us? Ah, Ghosty's still with us. I love that. I love that noise. Not that noise. That's a whole different noise. That was the Herculoids. Do you want to come with us? Nope. I already got a ghost pal. Get the fuck out of my way, Ghost, or I will drop kick your bitch ass. Ah! Oh, shit. These are the guys who look obnoxiously tough. I guess that one's dead. Ow. Dick. Shoot. Ah, suck it. Got more green cherries. Neat. What about you? No, you just want me to look at. God damn it. I remember why I started avoiding talking to ghosts, because they're annoying as fuck. So many ghosts. It's tiny. Food! Food! Bring me everything you've got! Holy crap, it's actually giving me food. Going to be okay if you eat this. Worried? Can't wage war on an empty stomach. Sir, I won't hear any more of this kind of talk. Hey, neat. Done cured us all. Give my compliments to the ghost chef. is wonderful. Well, I've stuffed down all I can. Let's go. Hello, ghosties. Okay, well, I guess we're going around. We're going back in because I saw a treasure chest. Earrings! What do earrings do? Who's gonna wear them? Can't make him wear earrings. I guess I gotta help. God damn it! Relic! Son of a bitch. He's already got stuff. He's already got stuff. He doesn't have anything. Yeah, I think none of these people can use magic, so that's really pointless. Ah! Shit, bombs. Holy shit on a shingle, that hurt. Oh, goddammit, that's gonna hurt. No! Ghosty! Please tell me I get another ghosty. I will be really sad if I don't get another ghosty, because I like ghosty. I suppose putting a life on it probably wouldn't work, huh? My ghosty friend dead now? Yeah, he's good. My ghosty friend is dead. Dick. Oh my god. Experience, 75 gippers. Look up, damn it. I'm hoping one of these guys is a ghosty friend. Need more ghosty friends. Fuck! Ah, not one of these days. Bam. Guess that wasn't so bad. I really, like, there's so much grinding in this. Stop where you are! I am Siegfried, the world's greatest swordsman. The treasure chest is mine. If I were you, Ox, and Grandpa here and ran. Look more like a manicurist, the scrab. Aha! The Ox bellows. Allow me to introduce my face. Oh shit, mini boss. Siegfried, they spell his name different here. Go guys! Ha! 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 Oh, bitch! Ow! 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 Ha! 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 Give up! Oh shit, that was easy. Thought we were in for a mini boss here, goddammit. What a bag of wind. Impossible! I'm the greatest! But I'll still last. Ah! Son of a bitch! You motherfucker! Stole the goddamn treasure, that son of a bitch! That was mine, cockwaffle! Ugh. Now I'm just angry. Blah, blah. Shit, there's a lot of dudes here. Really? Really? You pick the fucking zombie? That's who you go after? Just go after somebody, you know, strong? That guy? These stupid shit dicks that can't actually do anything. Impresario get all the way up to the front of the thing. Shoot. Yay, he's dead. These fights are so not worth it. Phoenix down. Monster in a box. Alright. A Spectre. I'm a little worried about this. Mostly because I have no fucking idea what a Spectre does. He fucking rocks my socks, is what he does, apparently. Although he doesn't seem to have much of a line of, Ooh, damn. Oh, painful. Oh. God. My God. Ooh, hyper wrist. So first off, I'm gonna go ahead and bring these guys back from the mostly dead. Next thing we're gonna do is hyper wrist. Raises vigor. I don't know what the hell vigor does, but you know what? Why don't you just be vigorous, Cyan? You just can be all sorts of vigorous. Phoenix, that sniper sight. What does that do? 100% fight hit rate. Ooh. That's so much better. Start with okay, so now he can't be poisoned. Nice, I guess. More importantly is Shadow there cannot be wanged. Get out of my way. Ah! Fuck! Oh. I met your big brother. I'm not impressed with you anymore. Boom! One shot, motherfucker. Ah, come on, let's go. Alright. On we go. To the front of the train. Now let's check out what's in here. It's a save point. That's always unnerving. We're gonna go to sleep there. And this time, guys, I actually am going to call it there. We'll be back next time with more Final Fantasy 3/6/ whatever fucking number you decide you want to call it. If there is anything you think I'm doing wrong, is there anything you want to see me do, a game you want to see me play, if there's anything like that, just let me know in the comments. I'm going to try and restart some of the old series, mostly Fear and Serious Sam. I'll see how well that does. They started giving me problems with my graphics card last time. Fear, I don't think I'm going to be able to fix the problem. Serious Sam, I might be able to. We'll see. You know, if there's another game you want me to play, I would prefer these RPG kind of games at the moment. And so that's probably a lot of what I'm going to be playing, mostly just because, I mean, I don't really have the time to go through big, long, what are they called? Big, long games like that. I mean, this one I know pretty well, and this one, I mean, I fucking love this game. It's my favorite Final Fantasy game, and I love RPGs in general anyway. But, yeah, if there's anything else you guys want to see, just let me know, and, you know, leave it in the comments, and, you know, look at us on Facebook. If you like what you see, subscribe, tell your friends, all that fun stuff. And other than that, I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye.